Here we are, Laura and Eddie.
We're on a bulldozer right now.
We're on a bulldozer. We are cruising. This guy came and picked us up. I got firewood. We got beer.
And I got good snow food.
Hey.
I know. Thank you to my people. I know my people. Love Mexicans.
Great.
Give me a ride. Please give me a ride. I'm fucking drunk.
I'm so pissed my battery's so low I can't even record. What the fuck is right now? Fucking bulldozer. Look at this shit.
Give me a beer. Give me a beer. Eddie, open it up.
Oh shit. No. Oh shit.
This is awesome. Got my beer.
What do you want this down? I'll get you fucked. Go.
The silver bullet never lets you down. Oh, I got it all. I got it all. Let's go. I can't feel my face.
Who's that concert on right now?
Yeah, we gonna see you all doing this?
Oh my god, this is awesome.